This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. Stunning Inland Homes 406C Farmhouse model. This 2-story floor plan has it all. Starting with 4-bedroom, 3-bath, flex room, loft, covered lanai and so much more has been designed with every detail in mind in this 2,701 square foot home. Upon entering the home through the beautiful foyer, you will notice a multi-use flex room tucked away at the front of the home. So many ideas for this usable space. As you proceed into the great room, you will notice the open concept with natural light shining from the multiple windows as well as sliders overlooking the covered lanai. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space with the oversized island which has built-in sink and Whirlpool dishwasher. The kitchen boasts granite counters as well as 42 upper cabinets, a Whirlpool range and Whirlpool built-in microwave as well as a nice-sized walk-in pantry. Just off the great room is a guest room and full bath. The second floor offers a resort-style owner's suite with massive walk-in closet, spa-like bathroom with room to roam and featuring a garden tub, double vanities with corian countertops as well as step-in tiled shower. That is not all. With 2 nice-sized guest rooms, a loft, a pocket office and upstairs laundry room, what more could you want? Other features of this inland home are the 9 feet 4 inches ceilings, full 8 interior and exterior doors, 17 by 17 tile throughout main areas with carpet in all bedrooms, loft, flex room and stairs. The garage door has been extended by an addition foot in height and width over standard garage doors. This home is located in the wonderful Dade City area that has the small town feel but close to all major shopping, restaurants and entertainment as well as driving distance to major theme parks, beaches, and multiple international airports. Visit the Inland Homes model today and make this home yours. Inland Homes is a locally owned and operated builder since 1988. For more information, review the details below or contact